We all know that navigating the world of investments and financial planning can be a bit overwhelming. That's why having a reliable mutual fund distributor or a certified financial planner by your side can make all the difference. But with so many options out there, how do you choose the right one? Our chief financial planner, Mr. Ramalingam, will elaborate on this. Ramalingam, over to you.
When you are choosing a mutual fund distributor or a certified financial planner, what you have to check is first thing you can check the Google review of his services. Does he have real customers who have given that Google review? Are they really satisfied? How long they are using their services? Those things you can check up. Second, you can speak to one of their existing customers before deciding whether they have like the satisfied customer because it is easy for to give a sales pitch easy when someone will be comfortable like give a 1 hour sales pitch whether they are living up to that is not as secondary. So that way like speaking to an existing customer from that mutual fund distributor or a certified financial planner will be helpful. Then you have done that, you sign up for an initial consultation with the mutual fund distributor and the certified financial planner, present your case, what kind of solution they are doing it, are they process oriented mutual fund distributor or certified financial planner or product oriented. The product oriented person will be like in the first call itself, they'll be trying to sell some product, right? They will not do the review. Whereas a process oriented financial planner or a mutual fund distributor will focus on you. What is your requirement? What is your risk appetite? Based on that, he'll be selecting schemes and building a portfolio over a bit of time. And he'll be more particular about your goals. With reference to your goals, how your portfolio is positioned. Do you have surplus? Do you have deficit? Are you on the right track? Are you moving at the right speed? Do you have surplus? Do you have deficit? If you have deficit, what's the course correction plan? This will be the focus of a process oriented mutual fund distributor or a process oriented financial planner. So always focus on a process oriented mutual fund distributor or a certified financial planner instead of someone who's focusing on the product, someone who's always selling a product. Don't focus on that. This will be a starting point. With this pointers, if you could evaluate mutual fund distributor, slowly you will be able to select a right mutual fund distributor or a certified financial planner.
Thanks for your detailed answer. If you have any doubt regarding this or any other financial or investment decision, don't hesitate to book an appointment with our financial expert. The link to the appointment is given in the description below. And also, would you like to know more about finance and investment? Then we would recommend you to attend our live webinar. The link to the webinar is also given in the description below. The webinar is absolutely free. If you like this video, hit like, and if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe.